To stop sharing your location on iPhone without them knowing, you can use the Find My app to stop sharing with specific contact or disable location service entirely within your iPhone's settings. So go ahead and press your settings. Click your account at the top. And then you're going to see right here iCloud Family and Find My. Go ahead and hit Find My. You can turn off right here the Share My Location. And now you turn off Share My Location with family and friends in Message and Find My app. Okay? Make personal requests using Siri on HomePod and use automations in the Home app. You can go ahead and click the Find My iPhone and just turn off this settings, right? Turn off Find My iPhone, Find My network, and send the last location, right? I don't necessarily advise it, but if you want to, just go ahead and do that. Another way of doing it also, disable location services entirely, right? So we're gonna go ahead to the privacy and security, go ahead to the location services, just shut it down or toggle off location services to disable it for all apps and services, including Find My and iMessage. So if you disable location services entirely, it will affect other location-based apps and features. If you stop sharing with someone through Find My, they will not be notified that you've stopped sharing, but they may notice if they try to locate you and see that you're not displayed. Last point, if you stop sharing location within an iMessage thread, the other person will not receive notification, but the message name stopped sharing a location may appear in the chat. So with that in mind, don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you in the next time.